Are you tired of dealing with a malfunctioning refrigerator? Look no further. Introducing the 2188830 Refrigerator Relay and Overload, a high-quality generic replacement part that will breathe new life into your fridge. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly repairing or replacing individual components. With this all-in-one solution, you can ensure optimal performance and longevity for your appliance. Compatible with a wide range of refrigerator models, including popular ones like 820-1786, 219-8830, AP3885081, and many more, this relay and overload combo is a versatile choice for any household. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional technician, installation is a breeze. Simply swap out the old components with the new ones, and you're good to go. What sets this replacement part apart is its durability and reliability. Crafted with precision and built to last, you can trust it to keep your fridge running smoothly for years to come. No more worrying about unexpected breakdowns or costly repairs. With the 2188830 Refrigerator Relay and Overload, you can enjoy peace of mind and uninterrupted cooling performance. But it's not just about functionality. This replacement part also offers exceptional value for money. Sold in a convenient pack of 6, you'll have plenty of spares on hand for future maintenance needs. Plus, with its compact form factor and solid construction, it won't take up much space in your toolbox or storage area. In summary, if you're in need of a reliable solution to revive your refrigerator, look no further than the 2188830 Refrigerator Relay and Overload. Whether you're dealing with a faulty relay, overload, or both, this versatile replacement part has got you covered. Don't let a malfunctioning fridge disrupt your daily life. Upgrade to the 2188830 Refrigerator Relay and Overload today and enjoy hassle-free cooling for years to come. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.